Okay, so I take the outer case off of it, and the first thing you want to do is take the screen protectors off. There's two plastic screen protectors on it, so you got to take both of them off. Then you use the alcohol path and you go over it really well, the alcohol. Then, this is a quick video by the way if you can't tell. Then you use the cloth and you clean the screen off, which I already did. Then, sorry I don't have this on a tripod or anything. You put the, you use the, one of these to collect the dust, and I'll show you that here in a minute how to do that. Alright, so I just used this thing, and it's basically a little sticky sticker. And what the fuck? Oh yeah, so it's a sticky sticker. You just pick up the dust like that and shit, but I already did that on mine. Then we put the plastic shit on there. Without trying to touch the fucking screen. It's starting to get dust because there's fucking dusty and dirty in here. But we put that on there and I'll show you what to do next. Here's the thing. We take the sticky part. The sticky part off. Okay. That ain't do what I wanted it to do. What does it say? Number 1 back. That's kind of weird. Am I supposed to peel up or? Okay. Oh, there it goes. See it? You want to make sure you align it with the big ass piece of like dirt fell on this bitch. Oh hell, this is so. Just gotta line it with that hole, the camera at the top. Oh fuck, I already touched it. Oh, it's okay. It didn't do anything. It didn't do anything. So now we take the plastic off. Squeeze those fucking bubbles out. So if you don't squeeze those bubbles out, you're gonna be fucked. I wonder if I can. No, this is already fucked. Okay. This thing had a hair on it. Or is it on the phone? It had a hair. You see it? Okay. So that one was fucked. Fucking peel. Oh fuck, it already has a piece of trash there. How the fuck did that even happen? Oh, is it on the other side? Yes, it's on the other side. Okay. Okay, there we go. I'm terrible at these things. Fuck! Where's the fucking camera at? Fuck. Fuck me. Oh, this fucking thing. Oh my god, I put it upside down. I put it upside down. I put the sticky side up. Did I put the sticky side up? Oh my god, I'm such a fucking idiot. Did I? Oh yeah, I did. Jesus Christ. I'm such a fucking idiot. One more last one. Let it drop. Okay. Ah, third time's a charm in this bitch. Okay, now. As clean as it's gonna get. Goes like this. Okay. Yep. So, I hope y'all can see this shit. Yes. Or as I like to say, yawns. If it works or not in a minute. Well, I'm fucked. Okay, after trying this shit again and again and again and again, I got it to work. Well, I think I got it to work. Well, here it's. Oh, here. Alright. It's hot as fucking here, so I got the AC on. But this is part 2. This time I'm trying a different screen protector for my phone. It's this one here. So let's see if it works. It's gonna be the same instructions as the other one, basically. So this time I'm not gonna show you how to install it, because it's the same shit as the stuff before. So this is part 2. All right, I'm gonna install it, see if it works, and then I'll show you the final results.
Hey, if this is a problem.
I put the screen on there and it works. So, job done. Yay. Questions? Leave a comment. Comments, leave a comment. Love you, bye. I know this ain't professional. Don't kill me.